Hello everybody. I hope you're all keeping well. I've been extremely busy. My daughter arrived yesterday and I couldn't be happier. I've had a lovely time since she arrived. We had a great day yesterday and we've had a wonderful morning. She's taken my youngest son to the beach for a while, so I thought I'd take that opportunity to draw the winner of my secret giveaway. But before I do that, I've received an envelope in the mail yesterday from Debbie Harris. Thank you, Debbie. And this is the first chance I've had, so I'll open it now. What a lovely surprise. I didn't expect anything in the mail. Oh, isn't that pretty? Look at that paper. Isn't that beautiful? Very Australian. Beautiful. Let's just have a look. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so pretty, Debbie. I did see you've made cards on Instagram. I haven't been able to watch very many videos lately, but oh, isn't that beautiful? You do make very, very lovely cards. All that fine glitter work. Can you see that? Isn't it pretty? Oh, that's just lovely. And the layered poinsettia, little pearls, and all the die cuts. Very delicate. Oh, that's beautiful. Thank you. Hi Jeanette, just a little something for you for Christmas. I found these several years ago and have never used any of them. They're just not something I tend to use much in my crafting. I know you probably have hundreds of them, but I still believe you will find a use for them long before I ever will. I hope you have a lovely Christmas with your family and friends and a happy and safe new year. Debbie, CraftyStuff on YouTube, and I'll put a link to Debbie's channel in the description box below. Now you've got me very curious what could be in here. This is exciting, isn't it? I'll keep that paper, it's lovely. Oh, hang on, I missed a bit. What is this? Oh, wow. Oh, Debbie, look at this. These are like they're on their original backings. These gorgeous, gorgeous doilies. Oh, look at that. And look how they're attached to the tissue paper. Is this how you found them? Oh, how lovely. So there's that one. And there's this one. Wow. Oh, they're beautiful. There's two of those ones. And this lovely one. Oh, they're beautiful. They're very delicate, aren't they? I love the way they're stitched to the tissue paper. And look, it's cut around in the shape as well. What a lovely gift. Oh, isn't that one nice? Oh, that's lovely. And a square one. There's two of those ones. And I love the age. Look at the tissue paper, how it's faded. The age of it, it's just wonderful. And that's another one the same. And there's that one. And that one's a little bit thicker. Oh, wow. And then this one here, the larger one. What a beautiful, beautiful gift. Thank you so much, Debbie. Wow, it's almost a shame to have to take them off the paper, isn't it? Oh, they're lovely. Gosh, they're so old. But to be on the oh my goodness, what a lovely find that was. Thank you so much for sharing those with me. That's very, very kind of you. Aren't they just lovely? Two of those ones. Such beautiful work. Oh, thank you, Debbie. That's so kind of you. Thank you very much for those. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Thank you. Thank you so much. Love those. Oh, wow. I'm kind of lost for words a bit there. That is so kind. Thank you, Debbie. I really appreciate that special gift. Thank you so much. Okay. Oh, I'll just quickly show you something I made. And I made these about 3 weeks ago or something like that. But I did have a couple, I put them on Instagram the other day, and I did have a couple of requests for a tutorial for them. And they're little acorns that I've made, and I've made them out of just old Easter eggs that were on sticks, you know, those cheap ones you buy from the dollar shop or something. And I've just used different things, oh goodness, trims, that's the word, trims. I used a lot of BB Craft, the beautiful rhinestone trims from BB Craft, these sorts of things. Aren't they gorgeous? On some of them, and then on others I've used just plain silver beading and rhinestone trim as well. And then I think I've got 2 of each kind. So they're the 3 different ones I made. That one there. That one's done just like that. Then there's a gold one, very similar. And I also used BB Craft bead caps and little bead stoppers at the bottom as well. I'm not going to do a tutorial on these because I actually have a written tutorial on the Helmar blog, and I'll put a link to those in the description box below for those that would like to know how I made them. But there's a written tutorial on those on the Helmar blog if anybody is interested in those. Okay, so shall we go ahead with the draw for the prize, I think. So that was a secret giveaway I held on my concertina journal that I recently made. I didn't announce it as a giveaway because I thought it might be just nice to sort of put it on that particular video. So good luck, everybody. Okay, so I'm hoping I can do this correctly. I'm holding the camera in my left hand. So I am just taking the URL from my video, my giveaway video here. I'm popping over here. Okay, this is called the comment picker. So I'll try and get back a bit there. Here we go. Enter YouTube URL. Paste. Okay, filter duplicate users. So we only want like 1 comment from each person, and like if I've replied to anything there. So I think that's how I do it. Include replies. No, we don't want to include any replies. Okay, that should be right. So is that it? I think I go here, start. Woohoo. Get ready. And is that right? Where's our winner? Click. No, start. Where's our winner? Oh, this shouldn't be hard because I've done it before. Oh, hang on, here we go. I think I have to do it again. have I done wrong? Oh, I think I need to press this first. Sorry. Okay, so we have 38 unique comments. Okay, now I think I start. Okay, sorry about that. I haven't done this for a while. Here we go, and the winner is Tin Lizzie. Liz, beautiful journal, Jeanette. The papers and the laces you've used all work so wonderfully together. Thank you for sharing. Hugs, Liz. Congratulations, Liz. You are the winner. You are the winner of the journal. And I thought, as just a little bonus, the small little journal in a box, I might give that away too, that I just made in this giveaway. So can we do this again? Okay, so Liz, you are the winner of the large journal, and the little one will go to, pick another winner, we'll go to Shabby Happy Jules. Oh, this is a long comment. Okay, let's see if I can read that. Your journal turned out so beautifully, Jeanette. The colours and the tones of the Crafty Me Shop laces you have used work perfectly with it. I love all the little details in this journal. Just gorgeous. In love. I was just about to ask you if you are selling it. Then you announced the secret giveaway. Oh, well, lol. That's very, very sweet and kind of you. I need to go back a few videos and watch your other tutorials on the making of this. I'll do that later this evening. I adore my last journal I purchased from you. The matching one, the matching one that I gifted to Gail, the cottage style. I am in the process of making my first journal, Traveller's Notebook. I think it will be a rather long process. I've learned a lot from this tutorial alone, the binding of it, so thank you, Jeanette. There is nothing that you can't learn here on YouTube. Thoroughly enjoyed this process. Thank you for sharing and for all the tips you give. Julie. Congratulations, Julie. Although you didn't get the larger journal, you are getting the little one in the box that I have just made with Crafty Me Shop laces also. So congratulations, lady, and I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. These will not get to you until after the new year. If you could email me, and I'll put my email in the description box below, and give me your postal addresses, that would be wonderful. And thank you everybody else for taking part in the little secret giveaway. And just in case I don't come on again before Christmas, because I'm not sure what I'll be doing over the next few days, I would just like to say Merry Christmas to everybody, Happy Christmas to everybody, and to have a wonderful time, or the best time you possibly can have, to stay safe, and to have a happy and safe new year. Hopefully I will get on here between Christmas and New Year, but we'll see. So take care, everybody, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.